Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So this is from Stephanie Johnson, and how sweet was it to send a card, this beautiful card that she didn't write in so I could reuse it or put it in my journal. So adorable. Do y'all see how pretty this is? The layering. Alright, she also sent a note which I read and was amazing, Stephanie, and I'm just gonna stick that back in there, put that over here. She sent one for whoever gets the book, and this book is massive. It's so gorgeous, it's so big, it is amazing. Alright, so check this out. I mean, this is so cool, and she's got tabs and this beautiful lace closure. So let's open it up. I mean, it's so big and beautiful. Alright, so she has this front pocket, and there's Velcro, and look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then here she's got, I mean, this is so cute. Welcome, my pretties. There's this beautiful little thing she sent, and amazing. Amazing. That's so smart to put the witch's hat on there. So there's a tuck spot over here with some goodies in it. And here's a pocket, and she made this pocket out of beautiful ribbon. That was smart. And then she sent some journaling. That was cute. And then there's a tuck spot down here. It says, lock your windows, bolt the doors, monster seasons will here once more. And then she's got this cute little tuck spot here with goodies in it. It says creepy. This is so cute. Oh, and there's a tab where there is a pocket with, I mean, Stephanie, you did an amazing job. This journaling card. And then there is, this is so cute. Look at this little envelope, and it tucks in there, and she's got all kinds of goodies in there. So cute. And there is this tuck spot, and look at this. Another tuck spot with goodies. And she's got a side pocket with these amazing boo from the crew. That's so cute. And there's a pocket here with these beautiful journaling cards. There is a tuck spot up here at the top, and she's got some little bitty journaling, and look how cute. What a neat idea for a belly band. And then there's this little book she made and sewed. Yay for the sewing machine, right? Amazing. And then here is a pocket. So cute. And then there is a tuck spot. I love the tuck spot in the middle of the page. I mean, that is genius with some goodies. And then she has another journaling card in this top pocket up here. That's cute. Stephanie is an amazing crafter. She really is. And there is a pocket with some journaling cards, another pocket with some, this is great ephemera. Love that. This page is gorgeous, and I love that you left it besides this because it's so pretty. And this gold washi. And then there is this page. So cute. Happy Halloween. And oh, this one is adorable too. I love this. I love the trim in the middle. So cute. And there's another one with a journaling card. And there's a tuck spot. So cute. And a tuck spot here. I love this paper. I love that it's a mixture of just It's so cute. Look at these gorgeous journaling cards. Oh, wow. Amazing. Look at this little, she made another one of these little books. Look, Calling All Witches. So you could write. I just love these. These would be perfect just to go in your purse. And here's the paper that brings it in. So cute. Sometimes you just need to put on the pointy hat and remind them who they are and dealing with. And it says with. That's so cute. I know, right? For real. I love that. That's cute. Oh, look at this one. How the paper all goes together. Didn't get missed on me, Stephanie. It's so adorable. Alright. And then there is this one. It says Fabulous. That's cute. And then Fabulous. I love that. Happy Halloween. It's cool. I love. And there's this tux. Oh, there's a double tuck spot. So there's here. And then she made another one of the books that are so cute. The writing in it is so adorable. Ow. And there is tuck spot here. And there's a pocket here with this beautiful journal card in it. I love this because I think YouTube and the YouTube community and my friends that I've met on YouTube have brought me such joy. And what's the word? The word is complete. Like you feel like complete. You know what I mean? Like you're not longing. And so it's me and Stephanie, or I love Stephanie. And I think looking at this and knowing kind of what she's gone through, I hope that I and our small community brings you the same, right? Makes you not feel so alone in this crazy world, right? If you got it, haunt it. It's so cute. I'll put a spell on you. It says boo to you. It's so cute. And look at these. So cute. It looks like Samantha from that show. Happy Halloween. Oh, how sweet of her to have put this. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Do y'all see this? Oh, and so she made a double pocket, and there's also journaling cards. And then there are journaling cards in the front. Oh, that's so cute, Stephanie. Alright, let's stick that there. And then she's got this beautiful journaling card, and she's got another beautiful envelope, beautiful paper. And there's all these cut aparts. Hold on. I don't want to mess up anything. And there's some more in there. Oh, this is amazing. Great cut aparts. And then let me close that back up. And then it says, Knowles just haunt to have fun. Knowles just haunt to have fun. That's cute. Happy Halloween. Boo.
Don't kill me. I want it.
Shh, Elijah. I'm recording a video. Alright, it says boo. Oh, these are so adorable. This paper is adorable. So there is another journaling card up here at the top. So cute. And then it says Happy Halloween. And then she's got a up and down tuck made by Stephanie Johnson. And of course I will have her channel linked below. So cute in the sewing. And then up here she's got some journaling. Bewitched. That's so cute. Stephanie, you did an amazing job. And whoever gets this is going to be so lucky. Because this is a big, amazing book. So, don't forget to check out the description below and the cards. I will link Stephanie's channel. She is an amazing crafter and did an amazing job. I'm actually going to stick this little envelope in the first page. I don't want to mess anything up. Let me go this way. Okay, perfect. All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.